I'm standing on a coon / deer trail. It's being used heavily by both coon and deer. I'm going to set dog proofs here. I'm just going to have to stake them solid because I don't have anything really right here to tie a wire to or cable around. The key to catching coons or any animal is location. Here's where the coons are. Here's where I have to set a trap. I'm not going to set a 1.5 or a conibear because the deer could easily step on it, set it off. They're not going to set off a dog-proof trap. Again, I'm just going to set it with some dry cat food in the bottom of my trap here. Find a soft spot where I can put this trap. Now it's liable to get kicked over by deer, but so be it if it does. I'm just going to stake it solid. I don't like to drive my stakes all the way in because sometimes they can just be a pain in the butt to get out. Switch that chain down. Fish oil. Don't be afraid to use that fish oil. Put a little liquid smoke in this one. I'm going to set 2 here. Other one I'm going to use a commercial bait instead of I'm going to put liquid smoke here and fish oil. The other bait I'm just going to put a fish oil and a commercial lure. Set the next one. Don't take a lot of this, just a couple drops. That's it, folks. On to the next one, quick and easy.